Okay, all of you audible voice.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today psychology second unit ma. Okay, in second unit first topic, structure of personality. Means structure of personality means in a personality what they have the behavior, how they are doing of the behavior to another person. Like that now we will discuss about the structure of personality. Example I will tell, in case one person you can imagination, means one person body just you can imagine how they have the personality, how they thinking, attitudes, the person have ego or super ego, they have energy or not, how they'll think behavior like a abnormally or normally. Total just you can imagine in the structure of personality, not imagination, totally you can identification of the about personality in the particular person. Now we will discuss here main three structure of personality. Means in personality what the three means, id, ego, super ego. Main these three parts of the structure of personality. See example, heart parts what, endocardium, myocardium, epicardium, chambers and aortic valve. This under so many parts have related heart na. Same also personality have three parts, id, ego, super ego. Here id means just id means this personality person. It means like this person have the good knowledge and good communication and good activities and good behavior and good emotional feelings also have. Ma, in case you not interest means please you can left in group in class. Already this is psychology class. 1 minute. Animita Jana, I am removing you. Don't join. Okay, Iddu means just I will tell Iddu personality people, they have the good behavior, empathy, sympathy, and normally maintaining of the communication. They have good habits in the id. Here, first point, the id is the unorganized part. This is one of the unorganized. Example, in case anybody want to tell you take this class, you don't take this class, nobody will tell because nobody will tell me because why means I know that is not unorganized part. That is a myself. I will wish. I will take up the class. Otherwise, I will not take. That is a my wish. It also not a unorganized. This is one of the organized only. It is the unorganized part of the personality structure that contains a human's basis instinctual drives. Instinctual means related, drives means opinion. Related opinion, each person, how they have the opinion on how they have the structure of personality. Opinionally, relatedly, we can observe to the each person. That is it. The person easily understand, easily identification of the related structure personality, how they have the behavior also. And it is the only component of personality that is a present from birth. It is one of the component of personality. This is one of the structure of part also and component of the personality also. Main this it will they will get of the like I told na, sympathy, empathy, emotional feelings, love. This and all they will show it the people's. Because of this is these people have the constant good behavior. That's why how they will get the good behavior like this character means present from birth. Birth onwards they will getting like this id qualities. And it is the source of our bodily needs. This is one of the main id, how they will source means how they coming up the id activities like id character means like a source of our bodily needs, wants, desires. Desire means like strong feelings. Impulses means feelings, particularly our sexual and aggressive drives. This and all total how they come is from birth onward they know about of the particular each person. Means our body needs what want needs means what you want and desires they have the strong feeling and impulse feeling, emotional feelings also they have, and particular our sexual activities have to be that person, And aggressive drives. Aggressive means they will show up the angry sometimes only. Related particular situation only they will show angry. But ego peoples continually show up the aggressive behavior. You seen anybody ego peoples, normal peoples only they will show up this sometimes only angry. But ego peoples always show angry, na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Same here also that it people like their body activities like how means needs. I want something and wants whatever needs they want and desire. They have the character good strong feelings. Impulse means feelings, emotional feelings have and sexual activities have and sometimes aggressive desires related situation they will get of the angry. That type of id peoples. And next point example. If the mind was solely means like a involving solely guided by the it involved individuals would find it difficult to wait patiently at a restaurant. Just you can solely guide means you can individually you can guide of the each person. Guide means like a supporting and observe to the each person. Why you observing individual means you can would find out that difficult to wait patient at a restaurant. Some people so and some people can't wait of the restaurant. Example, you will call your friends, I am waiting here restaurant. Okay, I will come like that. Your friends will tell you. But friends coming 5 minutes late, also these people, some people can't control, they will start up the angry irritation. But here also same, you would find it difficult to wait patiently at restaurant. Some people can't wait the difficulty they're waiting up in the restaurant after while feeling angry. Once you can staying in the restaurants, otherwise hungry feeling and would most likely grab food. Grab means like a spicy, like a burger and pizza. This are not grab food from neighboring tables. See, example, you like more moody. Huh? Once I'm keeping moody in the restaurant table. Just you were staying in the restaurant area. Just you were getting feeling like a hungry. Whenever seeing of the neighbor's table in moody, that time you will get of the hungry and feeling also. You can't control it. Can't wait. Immediately you want to go and eat. Same here also. It do like that. It people have like a they can't wait of the proper in the means waiting of the in the restaurant they will start of the feeling like a hungry. I want to eat grab fruit in the neighbor whenever seeing of the neighbor tables means near of the whoever sitting at the particular tables also have the any grab food immediately will get to the feeling like a hungry. That is like a example it understood. Now again I want to repeat.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is it like a normal peoples. Now ego peoples. See this ego example I will tell. Ego peoples they can't properly speak to the another person. Once that another person speaking to this person means they will ego is a satisfaction. Like that some people have the ego, some people's it like a good behavior, some people's ego and some people super ego means more full the super ego. See ego means like a normal, you know what is ego. Super ego means between to the ego and it like this. Here ego, the ego is the component of personality that is responsible for dealing with the reality. Main ego also is one of the personality. This ego responsible dealing with the reality. What do I want to deal means ego persons also they have the dealing of reality capacity because of they always like thinking like ego satisfactionly. That's why their self only reality only they're dealing of the particular topics. Like that have the ego peoples. Otherwise another people's dealing something means they'll start of the ego. That's where reality these people's only they people's only dealing of the about anything. And just as the id is the unconscious part of human personality, ego is the conscious and logical part. See, it is one of the unconscious part means because of the it people not have the proper ego. They're always thinking like good only. That's why this one part is the like a unconscious part human personality. But ego is one of the conscious because of always ego. They will show. They will start up the whatever ego activities. That's a main ego is one of the conscious and logical part. And that ego function how, in both the conscious, pre-conscious and unconscious mind. Ego like a function like a conscious, pre-conscious, unconscious. They will think of the like a consciously, they will think pre-consciously, unconsciously. They will mind do not a one time, sometimes conscious, sometimes pre-conscious, sometimes unconscious, like that have the ego functioning in the body, but they can't show properly inside mind function like that having. That's why they will start up the ego activities. And the ego operates on the reality principle. Whoever have ego showing up, the ego operate means ego showing means immediately they will show up the reality principle. This is a my character, this is a my habits, like that they will show up the reality in the ego type, and which it strives to satisfy that ideas desire it realistic. Some people's it people's very good people's are normally very normally character. Then people see satisfaction in anything logical and socially appropriate ways, whatever logically societally appropriately way, they will reality they will show up the id peoples like a satisfaction of the id peoples. But ego peoples not like that. Ego peoples can't satisfaction anything. That is a ego. Next, super ego. Mean here, the last component of personality to develop is the super ego. Last component. See, first component id, second component is ego, third component super ego. This is the main last component of personality to develop is the super ego. May the super ego provides guidelines for making judgment. The super ego people's like providing like a guidelines. Ah, this is a like, that is a like the judgment likely their guidelines for making judgments, like judgments likely they will do. In case see example, in case I am super ego and my friend ego, one more friend ego, what I'm doing super ego, I will show up the judgment to the ego and to it people. So like super ego like between ego and ego, they will show up the judgment to the all peoples. And the super ego represents the norms and qualities the individual. Individual they have the norms and customs, qualities, is family and the society, and is ethical construct on the behavior. The family wise and society ethically they will maintaining of the behavior also. Oh, this is my behavior. Like this, my family. Like this, we can stay. Means like this, you can do behavior. Like the judgment we give, the people give to the family wise also. Like ethics wise also, they will maintaining of the behavior in the family members and the society peoples. And it operates on the moral principles. Moral means main principles. The super ego peoples operating like a showing like a moral principles. Super ego not a that much of a bad character. They will show up the like a super ego. I don't have between ego and ego. They have the ego and they have the good character. It like a jealousy and empathy also they will show. That's why the super ego peoples have the more principles. They will maintaining up the like a good principles and to able to differentiation between good and bad, what is the right and wrong. This super ego people easily they will differentiation means they will think of the what is main differentiation between bad and good. Oh, this is a correct, this is a bad, don't do like this, you can do like this, like that they will know. Because super ego people know what is a bad, what is a good, what is a wrong, what is a right, they will tell. That is a main super ego personality mind. See, just I will tell meaning. It do means they self, they will think other person's feelings also. Ego people they satisfactory they will think self only. Super ego peoples between about ego about it also they will maintain the principles. That is a personality structure of personality. Understood? Anybody have doubts in three personality parts? Any doubts?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
last one you last one you talk short form. What is ID, ma'am? It
It means they have the good character. They'll selfly they will maintaining like a normal behavior. They will show up the emotional feelings, love, total, like a good behavior. Like they can't take receive anything ego activities, attitude, this and all. They can't take. ID means like a lovely, normally mingle with all peoples. They will understanding of the other feelings also. That is a id.
and super ego, ma'am.
super ego means between id and ego means the super ego peoples how they have the ego sometimes they have the good activities and good character also that is the id main between they will think the super ego people they will think what is a bad what is a good also they will think sometimes the people have the ego sometimes the people have the good behavior also but related situation.
Oh, super is your character.
Super ego now I will tell I'm saying
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
then that's it huh? Okay, next conscious mind. In particular person, how whoever conscious mind, how they will think, how they have the behavior, what's going in the unconscious mind.
What's that?
Please mute. See picture you see conscious. Wow. It is in the episode. Pavik Panchalma, madam, please keep mute. Otherwise, I will remove. See, conscious mind, just you can see picture, the full conscious, like a total, whatever they thinking, lights, total, like a brain like that, have the conscious mind, means totally full concentrate to the particular situation time. Here mean, first point, the conscious mind is that part of the mind that is responsible for the logic and reasoning. Yes or no, whoever have the conscious mind, the people what responsible, logically and reasoningly they will respond to the in the each part of the particular situation. In case you peoples and example I will tell I am conscious mind. Logically I will think, reasonable I will think, related responsible also I will take. Because of I am the conscious mind, I am thinking like a good, that's why I will take up the I will think logically, reasonably and responsibly I will take to the each person or another persons. Like I am taking up responsibility because of conscious mind. Unconscious mind means they can't take proper logically, they can't think reasonably, they can't take up the proper responsibility also. That is unconscious. Here, second point, for example, if I ask you to make a sum of 2 plus 2, in case you are a conscious mind, na, your example, your students, you are a conscious mind. Just I will ask question. What question? What is sum of 2 plus 2? What is 2 plus 2? Like a 4 number. Like that, I will ask. Once you are telling wrong answer, means your mind is a unconscious, but body is a conscious. Your mind is a unconscious. Whoever correct answer means they'll total concentration keeping in the question time. Like that, have the some people of different of the mind mentality. And then it is your conscious mind who will make this addition, who will maintaining of this formula, how they will get up the 2 plus 2 4, like they will ask of the and they will ask some questions related of the sum of 2 plus 2. That time you can easily understand of the they have the conscious mind or not. Like that's way you also now example you are some people's going depressionly. That time I'm asking any question depression people mean they can't give answer. Body is a conscious but mind is unconscious because of they're going deeply, that's why they can't tell properly answers. Like this different character having of the each person. And last point, conscious mind also works as a gatekeeper for the mind. Conscious mind work how like a gatekeeper for the mind. Gatekeeper means you see gatekeeper who whenever car comes means immediately that gatekeeper alertness and open up the door. Once car going inside means closing of the door. Like that mind gatekeeper, like that how mind like this have to the concentration for work like a conscious mind people's always like to concentrate sometimes. And if someone presents is belief which contradicts your personal belief, then your conscious mind filter the given belief. Means sometimes some people's belief of the same character and belief of the particular personal beliefs. Means I am believing, in case I'm praying to the my God, I'm believing to my God will help me. Like that your beliefly personally you can believe into the your God, otherwise you personally believe to the other persons also. Like that mind filter, filtration sometimes changes of the mind also, belief also, and sometimes changing of the mindset. The given belief and makes the decision whether to accept it or reject it. Example, any one person asking anything me, just I will my wish, I believe you means okay, I will accept. I am not believe means I will reject. Like this have the conscious mean. Example, you want to understand means I will tell. Example, lovers. See, one boy proposing to one girl. Once that girl believing that boy means easily that girl accept. Because of conscious mind, they believing means that's why she is accepting. Once rejecting means she not believing to the him. That's why she rejecting. She mind will tell, don't believe that boy. Please you can reject. Like that mind consciously, believely, they will informing to the mind only. That's why sometimes they will accept or they'll reject. Like this have the conscious mind peoples. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, subconscious means like some sometimes some between unconscious conscious. That is a subconscious. Means not that much unconscious, not that much conscious. Here, subconscious mind. How you know? Okay, if you don't, may please you can resign.
Okay, ma'am.